Welcome to this tutorial on how to see year-to-date performance on Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk through the steps to access and analyze your account's performance metrics. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a newcomer, understanding your performance over the year can help inform your investment decisions. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Monitor tab located at the top of the screen. This tab is essential for tracking your account activity. Once you are in the Monitor section, look for the Accounts subtab. Here, you will find detailed information about your account, including your overall performance and individual trade results. Next, to view your year-to-date performance, locate the Account Statement area within the Monitor tab. In this section, you can customize your date range to focus specifically on the year-to-date performance. Make sure to set the start date to the beginning of the current year, and the end date should be today's date. This will provide you with a clear view of how your investments have performed throughout the year. Finally, take a look at the various metrics displayed, such as total return, unrealized gains, and realized gains. These figures will give you insight into your investment strategies and help you assess your overall progress. Remember to regularly check your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more Thinkorswim tips and tutorials.